Greetings, viewers, and welcome back to our discussion on the intricate relationship between your dietary choices and the health of your skin. As a dermatologist, I often emphasize that the skin serves as a mirror reflecting the overall well-being of your body. This correlation is not arbitrary. What you consume can manifest itself on your skin, either enhancing or compromising its quality. Allow me to elucidate this intricate connection. The liver, a pivotal organ in detoxification, struggles to manage the influx of toxins when exposed to an unhealthy diet. Junk food, laden with toxins, places an undue burden on the liver, impeding its optimal function. Consequently, other organs, such as the skin, are called upon to assist in toxin elimination. This shift in responsibility contributes to various skin issues, including dryness, acne, and blemishes. In today's discourse, we shall delve into the detrimental impact of specific foods on your skin. Let's explore these dietary culprits. 1. Canned soup. Canned soup, a convenient meal option, harbors a significant drawback for your skin health. Laden with sodium and bisphenol, it becomes a double-edged sword. While it offers a quick and warm meal, the high sodium content induces water retention, leading to bloated and dry skin. Additionally, bisphenol, a chemical used in can linings, can disrupt hormonal balance, one of the primary contributors to various skin-related issues. It is imperative to exercise caution and moderation when including canned soup in your diet, especially for those seeking optimal skin health. 2. Chips. Delving into the world of snacks, the seemingly harmless indulgence in carb-rich, greasy chips poses intricate challenges for skin health. Beyond concerns about physical health and cholesterol levels, the processed carbohydrates in chips transform into sugar within the body. This sugar spike subsequently elevates insulin levels, increasing the risk of acne. Adding to the complexity, the pro-inflammatory oils commonly used in chip production, such as canola oil or vegetable oils, further contribute to skin issues. A mindful approach to snack choices is crucial to maintaining both physical and skin health. 3. Caffeine. The morning ritual of sipping on a cup of coffee or indulging in caffeinated drinks may have more consequences for your skin than you realize. Caffeine, known for its diuretic properties, induces dehydration. This dehydration, when prolonged, adversely affects the skin's natural elasticity and collagen, rendering it more susceptible to sagging and wrinkles. Balancing the enjoyment of caffeinated beverages with adequate water intake is key to mitigating these dehydrating effects and preserving skin health. 4. Sugar. In the intricate dance of diet and skin health, sugar emerges as a prominent antagonist. Beyond its well-established role in inflammation, sugar triggers a cascade of events within the body, notably a spike in insulin levels. This insulin surge, in turn, sets the stage for both inflammation and increased sebum production. The outcome is a complexion marked by inflammation and excess oil, creating an environment ripe for breakouts. Striking a balance and consciously reducing sugar intake is a crucial step in promoting clear and healthy skin. 5. Peanut products. Often celebrated as a protein-rich snack, peanuts and peanut-based products harbor an unexpected challenge for skin health. While they may satiate your hunger, they also contain androgens that stimulate sebum production. This excessive sebum or oil production can lead to oily skin and contribute to the formation of blocked pores. Opting for alternative, healthier nut choices, such as almonds or walnuts, becomes imperative for those aiming to maintain a clear and vibrant complexion. 6. Dairy. The allure of dairy, found in beloved treats like pizza and milkshakes, conceals a potential contributor to skin blemishes. Dairy products, including milk, introduce hormones into the body, disrupting its natural hormonal balance. This disruption creates a favorable environment for inflamed and cystic acne. Notably, the impact extends across all types of dairy, rendering organic or low-fat options ineffective in mitigating these skin-related issues. A transition to plant-based alternatives such as almond or coconut milk emerges as a prudent choice for those seeking radiant skin. 7. Alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption has its touted benefits, an unbridled indulgence in alcoholic beverages may come at the cost of accelerated skin aging. Research indicates that regular high alcohol consumption increases the likelihood of visible aging by 33%. Particularly, alcohol-induced facial flushing and the development of gray rings around the eyes are noteworthy effects. To counteract these potential skin issues, maintaining adequate hydration alongside alcohol consumption becomes a strategic approach to preserving skin elasticity and vitality. 8. White bread. Beyond its role as a staple in many diets, white bread takes center stage in the complex relationship between carbs and skin health. Recent research underscores that a diet rich in refined grains, exemplified by white bread, can exacerbate skin conditions. A high glycemic index, characteristic of such grains, emerges as a key factor in triggering acne. As an alternative strategy, opting for whole grains offers a more skin-friendly choice, mitigating the risk of breakouts and promoting healthier skin overall. 9. Margarine. Amidst the array of dietary fats, not all are equal when it comes to maintaining supple skin. Margarine, often containing trans fats, takes a toll on skin health. Studies reveal that a higher intake of margarine is associated with increased skin wrinkling, emphasizing the need for discernment in fat choices. For those aiming for radiant skin, opting for healthier fat sources and reducing trans fat intake is a prudent step in preserving skin elasticity and reducing the risk of premature aging. 10. Juices. The perception of juices as a healthier alternative to soda is challenged when scrutinizing their impact on skin health. Contrary to the presumed benefits, juices often match sodas in sugar content. This excess sugar intake, coupled with the absence of fiber, presents a double whammy for the skin. Sugar breaks down collagen, rendering the skin rough, while the lack of fiber deprives it of essential nutrients. Unmasking the true nature of juices is vital for those seeking to nourish their skin from within. 11. Whey protein. In the pursuit of weight management or muscle building, whey protein emerges as a popular dietary supplement. However, its impact on skin health is not to be overlooked. Whey protein contains an insulin-like growth factor that stimulates insulin and androgen production, contributing to increased sebum production. This surge in sebum production heightens the risk of acne. Those seeking to harness the benefits of protein supplementation without compromising skin health may consider exploring non-milk protein alternatives. 12. Deep-fried foods. The sizzling allure of deep-fried foods conceals the havoc they wreak on skin health. Deep-fried foods not only lead to excess oil production within the skin, but also introduce hydrogenated trans fats. These trans fats, notorious for their detrimental effects, extend their influence to the complexion, contributing to dull-looking skin. Beyond the sensory pleasure of fried delicacies, a mindful approach to consumption becomes crucial for maintaining skin vibrancy. 13. Shellfish. While shellfish, including shrimp, crab, and certain leafy greens, boasts nutritional value, an excessive intake of iodine from these sources can lead to skin woes. Accumulated iodine over time contributes to acne, challenging the popular notion that a single day's indulgence in high iodine foods triggers immediate breakouts. For those prone to acne, moderating the consumption of high iodine foods and incorporating them into the diet in moderation may prove beneficial for skin health. I encourage you, viewers, to reflect on your dietary habits and consider making mindful choices for the benefit of your skin health. Share your experiences and insights in the comments section below, and remember to stay tuned for more valuable information on maintaining healthy skin.